The Fertility Institute was established in 1987, and it was the first of its kind in Brooklyn and the third in the major New York metropolitan area. We were the first to establish the in vitro fertilization laboratories, the first pregnancy and live birth from in vitro fertilization in Brooklyn, the first pregnancy and live birth from frozen embryos in Brooklyn, the first pregnancy and live birth from frozen eggs in Brooklyn. We have developed all the areas of the diagnosis and treatment of infertility, either surgical or by in vitro fertilization. However, our emphasis is on first finding out why the couple cannot conceive. Find out what is the cause or the causes that cause the problem to the infertile couple. Once we have done our complete investigation and we have determined the factors that cause the infertility, then we can target those particular factors, correct the problems, and help the couple achieve a pregnancy and a live birth. We do not start treatment empirically on any patient without first knowing what is the problem that we are treating and what causes the couple's infertility problem. Definitely, we do not recommend in vitro fertilization to the patients unless the patients need it 100%. In our center, our philosophy has resulted in achieving pregnancies in more than 70% of our patients without in vitro fertilization. The only patients that they are treated by in vitro fertilization in our center are the patients that really need it, patients that they have problems that cannot be overcome by any other means. Our surgical experience and expertise has enabled us to correct problems with the fallopian tubes that cause infertility and result in a large number of pregnancies in patients that otherwise would have been recommended to have in vitro fertilization. We are very sensitive also to the expenses associated with treatments, and one of our efforts is to minimize the cost of the infertility treatments so more patients can afford it.